Good morning, friends. In India, there are many people who rise early in the morning and used to offer water to the sun. So, some people spread rice or seeds to the birds. Since last 10 days, I'm also doing this thing. And this habit of giving water to the sun helped me a lot in awaking me early in the morning. Otherwise, I used to sleep. So, this way, I'm able to wake up very early in the morning. Otherwise, it was not possible. It's just a kind of alarm. And after that, I used to spread rice on the floor, on the roof. And this habit has given me few friends. These birds wait for me daily on my roof. You can see, and you can also see how the roof has converted to a battleground where handicapped birds are being pushed down by those healthy ones, and the crows are repelling those small birds so as to eat those rice. The early morning hours, the wee hours, those hours are very excellent and useful for the students who want to study, because whatever learnt during this time you can memorize them for a longer time, and this time is quite helpful for those who want to perform the exercises.